What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to turn a YouTube video into a short. So this one is very easy. So let's get it started. So first, go to your channel and go to your videos. And after that, just choose a video you want to turn into a shorts. And after that, in the description, there will be a remix button right here. Just click it. Then it will show you edit into a short. Just click that. Then after you click that, it will show you this page where you can set a 15 seconds short of your video. So if you want, you can click this one. It will stretch into a 60 seconds short. So you can stretch it more to 60 seconds. And after that, just click next. Then after you click next, will start processing. And after start processing, just click next again. And it will redirect you to this one. And you will need to provide a caption to your short. So I just need to put a random caption, just going to make it unlisted. And after that, just click upload short if you're done. And that's it. Start uploading. And when it's finished uploading, you can just go to your videos and to your shorts, and right there the short versions will appear, and that's how we do it. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.